my room today. This tape right here, Baby Einstein, Neighborhood Animals. Well, this tape doesn't look like it's being rewound or anything. It's very dusty. I have no idea where it came from. I don't think it came from this place. Anyways, let's see. When was this thing made? On here it says like copyright 2001 to 2002, but well, I don't exactly know how to find a date right here. Down here, let's see. 001, 011. This tape was probably made in 2001. I don't exactly know. Probably made in November 2001. But like usual, I have no idea. So, let me just wipe the dust off of it. I gotta see if this tape works even. There we go, I got the dust off of it. It has a blue lid, that interests me a lot. Anyways, now let's get on with this. We're gonna be using my Panasonic Omnivision VCR to test this. Because, well, this is the only VCR I have. And I cleaned the heads earlier with my head cleaner, which is on that shelf somewhere. Anyways, I'm gonna get this started. Just turn the VCR on. I'm gonna turn my TV on to the right input. Well, if you hear noise coming from my backyard, that's the gardeners. Got the TV on. I've selected the VCR input, and I've got to put this in and just see how it goes. Wow, my VCR autoplayed. Wow, impressive. I remember this stuff from back in my days, when I was barely even a year old. Now I'm gonna try fast forwarding it. Running smoothly. Now I've got to stop this tape right now. I love this. Stopped it. Now I guess I can work on rewinding this tape all the way to the beginning. do that a little later. I'm just gonna eject it real quick. There, that was it. Test of this little baby Einstein tape. And, well, this is my first actual tape I've gotten. Well, not my first one. My first one's over on my shelf. It's the Kirby Owners VHS from 1994. Which, well, I don't know the exact date on that tape because for some reason on tapes they supply like that show like how to use a machine. They don't have it. They don't have printed stuff on the bottom like this. Anyways, guys, that is pretty much it. I just gotta rewind this tape off camera. See you later.